Hello, I'm going to show you a presentation which is a review in mathematics, and that is long multiplication using the flat bead frame. So I already prepared a problem for both of us, and that is 23 times 32. On the other side, I have the digital materials. And since we're using flat bead frame, under mathematics, all I have to do is to search for flat bead frame. Oh, there it is. I'll click on that, and that would bring me to the material. So this is how the flat bead frame would then look like. So you could see all the beads, and you could also see the circles that would represent the different categories. You have the unit, the blue for the tens, the red for the hundreds, and you have the green again for the unit of thousands. You could also see the simple family, colored white. You have the thousand family, colored gray, and you have the million family on top that is colored black. Down below, you would see all the number cards. You have the white ones and the gray ones. Now let's move on to the problem. My problem is 23 times 32. 23 is what you call the multiplicand. So I'm going to use the white number cards for my multiplicand. So I'll prepare 2 tens and then 3 units. Now 32 is my multiplier. So I'm going to use the gray number cards for my multiplier. That is 3 tens and then 2 units. Now let's start multiplying, but the first thing that we have to multiply is the unit for my multiplier. So I'm going to bring down the 3 tens because we won't use that right now. So it says here that we have to use the first line for the unit. So 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So I'm going to bring down 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Now let's move on to the tens. That's 2 tens times the 2 unit. 2 times 2 is 4. So I'm going to bring down 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I was able to bring down 4 beads. Now we could move on to the tens. So I'm going to bring down the 2 unit, and I'm going to bring up the 3 tens from the multiplier. Now for this, we're already multiplying the tens, so we have to start with the tens on the multiplicand as well. So by moving the multiplicand, and that reveals a 0. Now let us start. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So I'm going to bring down 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So look at that. We don't have enough beads, but we could make an exchange. 10 tens could make 100. So 10 tens could make 100. So there, I made an exchange. 6 was the last number, and we want to make 9. So let me bring down the remaining numbers. So 6, 7, 8, 9. There. Next is we have 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 is equal to, yes, it is 6. So we're going to bring down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So with that, we are done. 23 times 32, you could find your answer by looking at the bottom. So you have 7 hundreds, you have 3 tens, and then you have 6 units. So 23 times 32 is equal to 736. So that's how you use the flat bead frame for long multiplication. Thank you.